Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am just doing a project share for a challenge that I am entering by Ndecor on Instagram. So she wanted either a memory dex card, a mini banner, or a large banner. And then extra points was 10 die cuts and a pack of like 4 embellishments. So I created all 3 and I wanted to show you guys what I am about to pack up and send to her. So here is the memory dex card that I created. It was any theme, but she did say that she likes golds and pinks and mints and things like that. So I attached like a little mint charm with like a starfish, and I made this tropical theme because I really wanted to play with the Oasis ephemera in the collection. So I print and cut a whole bunch of digital ephemera from AC Digitals, and yeah, I thought it just went perfect. So this is a shaker, and I had stitched around the outside of the star. This file is actually from Shara Crane. I will link her video down below where you guys could get this SVG file. Then I just layered a whole bunch of different pieces on here. So I have this black and white piece, then I have this green tropical leaf, I have a watermelon, and on that watermelon is my little charms. Then I have my flamingo, a little bow and a gemmy, and then this says vacation and vacay again on top of that. And then on this side I have another one of those black and white floral things. I have like a circle that says summer, 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 but I covered up all the summer sayings. And then I attached some eyelash trim, a little camera, a bathing suit, and then this says so much fun. And then on the back of this, I just kind of have my information, so my address, which is my P.O. box, my favorite colors, my date of birth, and crafty goodies that I like. So yeah, this is what is getting sent out to her for the memory dex card. For my 4 embellishments, I created these little toothpick things, so I will bring these closer to you guys, because I'm about to pack them up onto that gold paper, which is why that's in the video. So I made this pack of 4 little toothpick embellishments. I've been addicted to wire wrapping, which is how I made all of these little dangly charm things. And I think these just turned out so fun. So here is this one. Because I also used a digital collection, I was able to print and cut things super tiny. So I was able to embellish these because I just made everything super teeny tiny. So I have one of those leaves back there, one of those circles that says summer, 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 another little bathing suit, and it says sunny days. And then here I have like this, I don't know, this kind of looks like a butterfly charm. And then this wire wrapped one with a little pom-pom on top. Then I also have this one with a yellow charm, a yellow pom-pom. Here you have a flower, a little scooter, and it says let's go with some eyelash trim behind that. Then I have this one, another little toothpick embellishment. They all have the 2 little flags. One of them is like a stitched flag, and one of them is just like a regular flag. These 2 have some trim under here. I don't know if you guys could see, and it goes kind of like that. So this one has like a bigger bead. Can't talk. Okay, so yeah, this one has like a really big bead. I didn't know how else to like use it. I know I could like make these on tassels, but I just thought the colors all kind of went together. They're all different kinds of like shades of blue, so I just threw it on here. So again, there's a pom-pom trim. This one has a little pineapple, an arrow behind it, and it says happiest here. And then same thing here. I also wire wrapped this little bead, a little pom-pom, the 2 flags. This one has like a leaf in the back, like from behind. You have a little suitcase. It says so much fun, and then like one of those like location kind of marker thingamabobs. I think these turned out so cute, guys. I've never made toothpick embellishments before. I always try to like challenge myself to make things that I haven't made before when I enter challenges, and I think these turned out really adorable. And then for the 10 die cuts, which I'm sending in a little bit more, she said she wanted bows because I had messaged her. So this is my little bag topper. I kind of just like threw this together. I just want to get this packed up so that it will go out tomorrow. But I also used some of like the ephemera from the collection. I had the star laying around. I had the circle that I just folded in half. I had these leaves. I just like kind of threw stuff together. So this comes off. It's just like a little bag topper. Then here I sent her a whole bunch of die cuts. So I'm not going to open these up, but these are one of my favorite style of bows. I love that I'm including like the foiling and the holographic and stuff. So these are like one of my favorite ones. Then these are a whole bunch of different patterned ones that I'm sending her. And then these ones she has to put together herself. So these are the ones where you will like roll, and they're bigger bows and you put it together yourself. So there's 4 different patterns in here. So yeah, that's what I am sending her because she said she really wanted some bow die cuts. So that's what I did, and those were actually really easy to make. And again, I just want to get this mailed out so that it goes out tomorrow for her. That's why I'm filming this video super fast, because now I gotta pack up the embellishments and start getting ready for bed because it's just late, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this crafty video project share with the memory dex card and the little toothpick embellishments and everything. So I will have a link down below to her Instagram information in case you guys want to enter. I think it's till the end of March. I'm not entirely sure. You'll have to double check, but I will link her Instagram down below. And that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.